of visualization isn't only positive move, sorry. Key of visualization is to imagine the positive on the negative move. Key of visualization is to imagine, sorry, is to imagine the movement, if to imagine step, is to imagine step by step, is to imagine your, what I mean, is to imagine your hurdles, your shambles. Is when you visualize, you need hurdle, you need shambles, you need, I don't know, 4 or 5 hurdles. When you imagine in any area, you need hurdle on what you are going to do after this hurdle. You need imagine everything. When you imagine only positive move, it's not productive. It's not productive. Yes. So, if you want visualize, imagine maybe 10 hurdles you will have. Imagine maybe 10 hurdles you will have. Imagine after your reaction, how you react after these hurdles, these shambles. After you need, yes, you can write down, you can write it down. For example, write 10 hurdles. You see, write 10 problem in area. Write 10 problem. 10 problem you will have. Not one problem, but true problem. You see, true problem, yes, true problem, but real problem. Not one problem, not I don't know, not, I want you write down 10 true problems you will have. Not, yes, 10 true problems you will have. Then you write down, you write down your reaction at this problem, at this 10 problem, your reaction. Then you write down how you think after this 10 problem. Then you write down how you behave, how your behavior, how you, yes, your behavior cope with this problem, cope with this 10 problem. Then you then you write down your outcome after this 10 problem. You see, it's so easy, but it's the key of visualization. You need 10, maybe more, maybe further, but you need 10 true problem in any area, in any area. You need 10 problem, 10 true problem. On each time you write down it, you write down your what you think after this 10 problem, what is your emotion after this 10 problem, what is your behavior after this 10 problem, what is your outcome after this 10 problem. You see, the key of visualization is imagine outside on inner. You see, inner, from the bottom of you on outside, surround you. You see, when you imagine negative and positive, reaction, when you imagine positive and negative move, beside you add from the bottom of you on surround you, you become master. You master your area, because you know, you already know what it will happen. Thank you.